guys. I just wanted to show you what I'm up to today. Today I'm doing some resin castings. The first ones are some of our sculpted hands that were created by Jack Johnston, and so we just, every once in a while, if someone buys some of these, because they're a great hand, male hand especially, like for your 18-inch doll, it's about perfect. But anyway, these hands, I'll then have to go through and remove the flashing and stuff that kind of shows up during the casting process, but I've done these in my casting pot. So it was done under pressure. That's why you see these little air bubble. They're almost like these little balls that will show up on it too. And that's actually from some holes that were in the mold when it was made, apparently. But those are easy enough to pop right off. So these turned out pretty well. And then I'm also doing some for some baby bodies. And then let's see, this one, I believe I did the cute little swaddle face. I think that's what this is. Let's do it with one hand. Okay. Let's see how well it turned out. This coloring was a little bit on the white side. Let's see if we can get her. There's a lot of flashing on that. That usually doesn't happen. I needed to have it more sealed with rubber bands. Oh. But that's pretty cute. Oh darn, it looks like she got a little air bubble right on her lip. So actually for this one, I can repair that just by the next time I do a mold. I will just, like the next time I'm going to pour resin for another one, I will just like take a toothpick and grab just a dot of the resin and just put it right there on her lip, and that'll cover that right up. So that's a little trick for you. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today, as well as just trying to get a bunch of stuff caught up for the shop, and then on to more sculpting. But for now, I'm trying to just work on doing little videos to be in touch with you more often. So anyway, you guys have a great day sculpting, and I'd love to hear about your projects as well.